Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Guardian Life, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Guardian Life, start by visiting their official website. Look for the Contact Us section, typically located at the bottom of the page. Click on the link to access various contact options. Choose the method you prefer, such as phone, email, or live chat. For immediate assistance, consider using the live chat feature. If you opt for phone support, note the customer service number provided. Make sure to have your policy or account information ready for reference. If you prefer email, click on the appropriate link and fill out the contact form. Clearly outline your questions or concerns for a quicker response. Once your email is sent, allow 24 to 48 hours for a reply. Alternatively, if you are an existing policyholder, log into your Guardian Life account. Locate the support section within your account dashboard. Here, you might find additional resources and FAQs. If you need to meet someone in person, find a local office via the website. Contact the office ahead of time to set up an appointment. For further support, explore their social media pages for updates and contact options. Take your time to review the information provided on the website. Familiarize yourself with the resources available to help you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.